The drone CZ07 is a mini drone designed to be an accessible and fun entry point into the world of aerial photography and FPV, first-person view, flight. With a user-friendly interface, dual 4K cameras, and a host of smart features, this quadcopter is perfect for beginners and kids looking to learn the ropes of flying a drone. Its compact size and easy controls make it an ideal toy for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Dual 4K cameras for versatile photography. The CZ07 stands out with its dual cameras, both of which are marketed as 4K. This allows for both front-facing aerial shots and a bottom-facing view, which is used for the optical flow positioning. The front camera can be manually adjusted up to 90 degrees, giving you the flexibility to capture different angles and perspectives from the air. Optical flow positioning for stable flight. For beginners, stability is key. The drone's optical flow positioning system, which uses the bottom camera, allows the CZ07 to hold its position and hover steadily. This greatly simplifies the flying experience, making it easier to capture clear photos and videos without constant manual adjustments. Compact and lightweight design. The CZ07 is a mini drone with a compact size, making it highly portable. Its small size and lightweight construction make it an ideal choice for flying both indoors and outdoors, and it's less intimidating for new pilots. User-friendly control and smart features. The drone is packed with features that simplify the flying experience. The remote control, with a left-hand throttle and right-hand direction mode, offers one-key takeoff and landing. The drone also features a headless mode, which eliminates the need to worry about the drone's orientation. The included app provides even more functionality, including intelligent following, gravity sensing, and trajectory flight. Fun and exciting stunt flying. The CZ07 is not just for photography, it's also built for fun. It includes a 360 degrees roll function, allowing pilots to perform exciting aerial stunts with a simple command. The fast and slow gears let you adjust the speed to match your skill level, whether you're a cautious beginner or an aspiring stunt pilot. Gesture recognition for hands-free capture. Capture moments effortlessly with the drone's face and gesture recognition features. Within a distance of 1 to 3 meters, the drone can automatically take photos or videos by recognizing specific gestures, providing a hands-free and convenient way to document your flights. Decent flight time and range. The drone is powered by a 3.7V 1200 mAh lithium battery, providing a flight time of approximately 8 minutes. The remote control distance is between 80 to 100 meters, while the image return distance is up to 50 meters via its own Wi-Fi signal. In summary, the drone CZ07 is an excellent choice for a beginner's drone, offering a great balance of fun and functional features at an affordable price. Its dual 4K cameras, optical flow positioning, and user-friendly controls make it easy to fly and capture basic aerial content. With its stunt capabilities and intelligent features, the CZ07 is more than just a toy, it's a perfect gateway to the exciting world of drones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.